My name is Markway. I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. Started playing football in 3rd grade. I grew up watching my uncle play football. I was always bigger than the kids growing up around me, so football was a good sport for me to start playing. The biggest struggle I've dealt with was during my college career. After my freshman year playing, I suffered 2 season-ending injuries my sophomore and junior year that kind of built me into the player I am today. KAGED supplements has been a extremely consistent part of my life these last couple of weeks. Going through these injuries, I got into working out. I've tried many different supplements, but since I've been to test, KAGEDMUSCLE has been extremely consistent, and I've seen extreme improvements in my body weight and bench reps since I've been using these supplements. My name is Markway. I'm a 2020 NFL draft prospect. I'm training for my pro day in March, and I'm a KAGEDMUSCLE athlete.